Alright guys, I just got in. It's about 1 a.m. in the morning. Left work around 12:30. I got there at 10 a.m. My friend kept me there all day. Oh man. It was supposed to be my rest day. You know, no workout at the gym. And I want to get home early, you know, work on my videos. And maybe take a nap, go to bed early. That isn't the case. So, I'm very tired. I just wanted to, you know, make sure I consume all my daily calories. So I just went to Pizza, and I got a poutine and a chicken sandwich. And I'm gonna have 3 tangerines along with it, just to make sure that I'm over my calorie budget. Today I had an accident. You know that plastic bottle I put my shake in? That fell on the ground and it cracked. So half my shake was thrown into the garbage. I'll show you some pictures. But yeah, just a chicken sandwich and a poutine. This was $17. Can you believe that? I went for something better, bigger. It's okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna be my meal. Usually I stay away from pop. I'll drink probably like half of this. We'll see. Make sure I get my videos out tomorrow. The sled video and my progress video that I was supposed to release today will be released tomorrow. So I'm gonna get this in me and then I'm off to bed. See you tomorrow.